Okay, so now that our soil is ready, all we have to do now is take the Valencia orange tree out of this pot, and we're gonna put our bad soil. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we have to replant our Valencia orange tree because if we don't, it might die. The reason our Valencia orange tree might die is because we planted this in the same compost that almost destroyed our garden. And check it out. We planted this May 4th. See that? I was checking this out when I was watching our garden tour, and I was thinking, this is crazy. Like, this tree really hasn't had any progress. Like, look at the orange tree behind it. When we first got this was just a stick. And look, we planted this the same day. Check it out. May 4th. So why does this look like this? Because we planted it in that compost that almost destroyed our garden. I'm guessing that has to be the reason, because look at it. It doesn't even look healthy. See it, how light green it looks? It only supposed to look light green like this when it's new growth, like this. See that? This is new growth. Then it's supposed to look darker when it gets older. So we definitely have to replant this. I'm guessing the only reason why it has a little progress is because we also planted it in, we mixed this with we mixed this with cocoa. See? So it's not just straight compost. So that's why it has a little progress, but you see that? It's that same compost. So we have to replant this today so we can start seeing progress and so we don't lose it over the winter, because I don't think it liked this compost either. So today we're gonna plant our orange tree in red clay. And peat moss. Okay, so now that our soil is ready, all we have to do now is take the Valencia orange tree out of this pot, and we're gonna put our bad soil in here till we figure out what to do with it or how to clean it, because you don't want to put it in your compost pile, because then everything will just transfer to your compost pile and make your whole compost pile bad. And guys, if you're wondering where you can get these plant tags, I'll leave the description and the link below. Look at that. That's all of that bad compost. Today we're planting our citrus tree in cocoa mixed with compost. So the reason we're using cocoa is because cocoa has great drainage. And remember what I said? Citrus trees hate super wet soil with bad drainage. And the reason we're using compost is because compost adds organic matter to our cocoa, because cocoa doesn't have any food in it for your plants. Can't believe we messed up all of this good cocoa with this bad compost. Look at that. The roots didn't even go to the bottom yet because this compost. Now we're gonna make sure we shake off all of that bad compost. The reason we shook off all of that bad compost is to make sure our Valencia orange tree have a good start. So now we're gonna refill our container with our new soil, which is peat moss and red clay. Do you have to use peat moss and red clay? No, that's just the mix we chose to use today. So now all we have to do is replant our Valencia orange tree. Remember what the sunflowers looked like last week? Check them out now. Look at all of that new healthy growth. Since we didn't add any fertilizer to our soil, we're gonna water our Valencia orange tree with fish fertilizer. Now we're gonna add some fish fertilizer. You don't have to measure it. That should be good enough. I can't wait to show you guys the progress after replanting this Valencia orange tree, because to be in this container for 3 months and this is the only new growth it has, it's crazy. Just watch and see. I'll show you this Valencia orange tree again in 3 weeks and you'll see. Now all we have to do is figure out what to do with this. If you have any ideas, please let us know in the comment section.